Hello there, subscribers. It's your friend Craftsman, letting you know I'm still alive. I've just been busy. If you're interested in making your own figures at home, whether by resin or, believe it or not, actual soft vinyl, then tune in tomorrow for a steady craft and double feature episode. Lots of information is packed into this one, y'all, and some blood, sweat, and a couple 3 tears went into it. I cannot wait to share it with y'all. But in the meantime, please enjoy this footage of silicone being pulled from Bucky.